Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a catapult or Wurlitzer. Now obviously knowing how to do a catapult and a Wurlitzer will already be really useful. They're both beginner moves, so if you're ready for an intermediate clip you probably know them already, but just in case, links in the description below to the teaching clips for the catapult and the Wurlitzer. Combining them like this you get something that's relatively simple but is often a surprise on the dance floor. So go 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So let's break it down. It starts just like a catapult. So right to right, we go semicircle back, we sweep the lady through, we get to two hands. Instead of bringing the lady forwards, we rotate the lady on the spot, taking both hands over to the left. We're actually going to take both hands over to the right. We're going to hook our fingers in the left hand, so we have our fingers coming up the inside the lady's first finger. So we're making a little barrier. So as we take the hands over to the right, we let go with the right. It feels very much like a spin for the lady, but because we held on with the other hand, not gripping but just making a barrier so the lady's hand doesn't slide off, the lady gets a prep just like a Wurlitzer. So you can now flick the hand to the left behind us to get a return spin for the lady. We turn to face, catching left to right or right to right, lower and back. So let's break it down and do numbers from the other side. So we go back 1, sweeping 2, 2 hands on 3, preparation over to the left 4, Wurlitzer preparation 5, return spin 6, catching back 7. And that is the whole thing. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, Catapult Wurlitzer, we go a back, sweep, lean, prep, block, return spin and back. And that is it. I hope you enjoy that. I hope you find that useful out on the floor. I guarantee as a fella that if you pop that in most places, not everywhere but most places, you will get a surprise look from the lady. It should work great, but it's not something that they usually expect because you don't see it very often. Okay. Do like, subscribe and hit the bell if you're finding what we're doing useful. Liking helps promote a particular video to other people. Subscribing helps promote the entire channel, and if you hit the notification bell you'll make sure you get to be told every time a new video comes out. There's a music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.